go closer. So, can I ask you what's your testimony about Heroes Academy? How did you hear about it?
Actually, I heard about Heroes Academy from my colleague in class who invited me. I was kind of sleeping because that's what I do most when I'm bored. I don't go out, I just stay in room and sleep or maybe do some acts. So I was sleeping one day and I heard a knock on my door. It's my friend Gifty. She said, Aziz, why don't you come and join us for Heroes Academy? And that was it. And it has really done so much in my life. For example, let's talk about some lectures. Let's say the law of 1,000 hours or so.
10,000 hours?
Yeah, I thought critically about that, and I said I've been wasting all my time, most of my time doing nothing. And I see that I'm a person, I don't go out, and all this time that I'm at home, I can even use them. If I should calculate, I can finish a lecture that I can have in a year, in maybe a month, if I should take it seriously. And I saw that these are some of the things that can change our lives, that will make our life more valuable in the day of tomorrow. So these are some of the ways that Heroes Academy have impacted me. And it has also helped me to improve my skills. I'm even working on some projects now. I want to develop, let me say, a program that will enable, I want to develop a program that will enable foreign students in Ternopil National Economic University have, let me say, understanding with teachers. I can see that it's a problem because you go to class, sometimes some of the teachers, they don't understand your language. And if I could come out with a program that can translate life, when the teacher is speaking in Ukrainian, and we the students can understand in English or in Arab, wherever your native language is, it can improve teaching. Because it's not that the teachers are dumb. The teachers are good, but it's because of the language barrier, which is one thing that has been making it difficult for us to understand lectures. And so if we can have such a program, it can improve significantly in our life, make us better. And I've also studied situations and I've seen that there are so much suicide going on these days in the world. And I was thinking, why is it that people, the police or the SWAT teams and whatever, why can't they stop that significant number of suicides that are happening? People jumping from buildings, doing what? Sometimes before the police should get to the top, the person has already jumped. So what are some of the things we can do to prevent or to decrease the number of such things happening? And I was thinking, I'm even joining the project now to create a bolting shoes for the military, for the police. These shoes can help. You don't need more to climb the stairs. You just need to activate it. I was thinking of two things, either to make it drone-like or anti-gravity, which can help when there's a suicide. You don't need no more to climb the stairs or take an elevator. You just need to jump always. Even if the person is falling, you can easily catch him. And this can help us. And I've even started drawing the scheme of my project. It's on my laptop, and I'm hoping by within a year or two I'll be able to finish all these projects. And I'm praying God should help me. And also I've been doing some arts. I don't know, maybe you would like to see. I did a few arts, and I mostly do them when I'm actually bored, because I don't go out, I don't have enough friends. So I only stay at home. When I'm bored, I do some arts to clear my mind. And these are some of my works.
Hey, Aziz. Wow.
This one I did it specifically for my sister.
Aww, this is so nice. Who's that?
That's me.
That's nice.
Is that supposed to be Kim
Quite
Kardashian?
serious. What am I doing with my life?
This is nice.
So that's it.
Thank you so much. Celebrating.